my dear students. Hope you are doing well. Let's start talking about mutations. Mutations and what are mutations? We talked before that the DNA is replicated and there is an enzyme called DNA polymerase which should check if there is any mistake in the replication or not and should fix the problems or the changes in the DNA. But sometimes, in rare cases, the DNA polymerase couldn't change or fix the mistake, and in this case, mutations will occur. So, mutations are changes in the organism's DNA. But will those mutations affect the phenotype or not? This point depends on the kind of protein that will form. This will depend on the kind of protein. So, do all mutations affect the phenotype? Actually, not. Some mutations are silent without any effect. Others will affect the phenotype or the physical characteristics. Let's see different types of mutations. As I told you, in general, a mutation is the change in an organism's DNA, and there are many types of mutation. The first type is called point mutation. Mutation, it means that there is a certain point at which mutation will occur. So actually this point is only one nucleotide. So changing in one nucleotide by substitution by another nucleotide, this is called point mutation. And this point mutation will affect only one amino acid. Let's see how. This DNA sequence for the gene GATCTCAG. After mutation, this C changed into A. So the new sequence now GATCTAA. This is mutation because this is change in one nucleotide, and it's called point mutation because the change here is in only one nucleotide. Will this affect the phenotype? To know whether this will affect the genotype or not, I should know, will this affect the amino acid or not? Let's see here. This DNA should be transcribed, as the according to the central dogma of molecular biology. Replication, then transcription to form RNA, then translation to form amino acids. So now, after formation of mRNA and translation, the new amino acids, the amino acids that will form LEU, GLU, SER, ASP. What will happen after this change? Will the amino acids change or not? Actually, here only one amino acid will change, which is GLU will become ASP, aspartic acid. So now new amino acid is formed. Formation of new amino acid means there is a change that most probably will affect the protein that will form, because as you know, the protein is composed of sequence of amino acids together. Let's see another type of mutation. Another type of mutation that might occur in one gene is the frame shift mutation. From its name, frame shift, we call it frame shift because this will lead to shift of all amino acids or all codons, change in all codons after this change. This will occur by insertion or deletion of a nucleotide. For example, this nucleotide, instead of being GG, one is removed. This G is removed. This will affect all the coming amino acids. That's why look here the change. It starts by LEU, GLU. Will those two amino acids change? No, they won't change because those amino acids before the frame shift, before deletion or before the change. But look here, serine then ASP. Look here, serine, after that ILE, then all the coming amino acids will change. This is frame shift. Which one will occur bigger or will cause bigger change? The frame shift mutation or the point mutation? Of course, the frame shift, because the frame shift affects all the codons that are coming after the change, starting from ILE, and then all the coming will be changed.